Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how the best drawing apps for iPad. So these are the top best applications for drawing on iPad, so make sure to watch till the end. First of all guys, the first rank application is Procreate. This is the best application for drawing and for artistic work. You can find out here. So here is the application. You can see the rating is 4.6 and it's a paid application guys. It's a paid application. You have to pay 1300 rupees around for using it, and its size is 460 MB. But every single penny of this money will be worth using it guys on this application, because this is really good application to use it. It has all the feature any drawing artist will need in iPad. So in my list, this is on number one application. The second one is on second rank is Illustrator. So this is guys the second rank application in my list, and it's from Adobe, so you can expect good things from Adobe. And always Adobe known for guys these kind of application. So it has 4.5 rating, and its size is 866.5, and it's a free application. But in the application you may have to purchase few things, but all the basic feature will be free in this application. That's a good part of this application. So that's the second application. Third application is Photoshop. So it's again from the Adobe, and you can use it for drawing and for all the artistic work. It has 4.3 rating and its size is 410. So you can use it for your drawing and for all the artistic work you can use on this iPad. So let's move to the fourth application guys, and it's none other than Inspire Pro. So that's the application guys, and it's an paid application, and its price is 2000 rupees, and it has 3.8 rating. But don't go on its rating. It has few amazing features, and its size is 291.7 MB. So that's the fourth rank application in my list, and the last one, it's again from the Adobe, so Fresco. So this is again from the Adobe application. It is a quite heavy application. It has all the feature you will need in any drawing app. So I have used this application already, and its size is 1.05 MB, and you can use this application. Try this out and just let me know in comment section. And you can see the rating of this application 4.7, even larger than the greater than the Procreate application. Usually people use Procreate application on iPad for the drawing purpose, but it is not any way less than that application. So this is my fifth rank application, fifth rank application, but it could be second or third. But due to the size perspective, I had to keep it at fifth rank. So yep, hope you like it. If you have a high variant of iPad, you can use this application, because these applications later requires more space. So if you have 64 GB variant, then I won't recommend you to use this application. So hope you like it guys. These are my top 5 application for drawing on iPad. Subscribe for more videos. Till then, bye bye.